Welcome back to Tong Hacks channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a Google Sheet editable by everyone. It is so simple and so easy. You can just set it on your iPhone. Like as you can see here, I'm using my phone. So the first of all, you need to open the app from your phone and choose the file that you want to make editable by everyone. Here I'm going to choose this file, and then you can click here the three dots on the side of the title, and then click manage access here. Okay, first you're gonna need to choose this. You're gonna change the restricted into anyone with the link. Choosing this allows everyone to access this file just by sending them the link. You don't have to add your partners or your team members' email address one by one. It is more efficient this way. And then you're gonna change this viewer to editor. Okay, so anyone that have the link will be able to edit your file. Okay, that's all. If you find the tutorial helpful, remember to like this video, subscribe for other tutorial videos, and let me know your thoughts in the comment. Thank you.